Hey guys, we're back home in Arkansas. We went to the National Corvette Museum in Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky. What do you think about it, Becky?
I enjoyed it. I thought it was a great place to visit. I'm not a Corvette fan, really. They're too low to the ground for me, but they're pretty. And they had it put together really neat.
You know, they had a big sinkhole where like 7 Corvettes fell into it 40 foot deep. Do you know that?
Yeah.
All right.
We got to see one of the Corvettes that actually fell into it and the damage that it did.
Well before dawn, on February 12, 2014, surveillance cameras inside the National Corvette Museum caught something almost unbelievable. A sinkhole opened up underneath 8 collectible Corvettes inside the museum's sky dome. 2 days later, crews got a very close look at just how bad the massive sinkhole was and the underground caves that caused it. The sky dome and its iconic spire were okay, but needed to be secured before walls came down to get cranes inside. They were trying to plan how to pull out cars they couldn't even see.
And it is big rig friendly, so you can pull your motorhomes in. You don't have to drop your tow vehicle, campers. Easy access right off to the freeway.
Yep, it was nice.
And also there's another car museum. I don't know what it was called.
Arts Corvettes.
Um,
And it's right beside the National Corvette Museum.
I kind of liked it better. It was more kind of more old school type cars, and not just Corvettes, but anything from a Chevrolet truck to a Ford trucks, and um, just about any kind of car that you can think was in there.
Yeah, it's named Arts Corvettes, but he has a bunch of old cars that are just neat to look at. So if you're into old cars, you really need to stop by there too.
What, $10 a head to get in?
Yes, at that time.
At that time, what it was.
I don't remember the National Corvette Museum. I don't remember the
I,
price. You have to look it
I
up.
think it was $36 for the two of us,
Okay.
but we're seniors. So anyhow, we had a great time with our friends that was traveling with us. Highly recommend, if you're in Bowling Green, stop by and see it.
Amen.
Hey, we'll catch you on the next trip.
Thanks for watching.